So when you join Pedro Adao and Russell Brunson's free Challenge Secrets Masterclass, what can you really expect? Day 1, what is a challenge funnel and why is it the only funnel your business needs? On day 1 of Challenge Secret Masterclass, they're going to show you real-world challenge funnels that work today. Why challenge funnels are the key to converting ice-cold traffic into die-hard fans, and why this funnel is the essential for any business. Day 2, irresistible challenge offers. On day 2, they're going to show you the 3 types of irresistible offers you can make to challenge participants. And here's a hint, this works incredibly well even if you don't yet have your own product or service. And you'll see some special guests on this day 2. On day 3, you're going to be creating an irresistible challenge. So what makes your challenge stand out amongst the rest? What makes your challenge irresistible? There may be other challenges out there, but most are doing it wrong. And on day 3, they're going to show you how to design, lay out and structure your challenge the right way, as well as nail down your challenge's big idea, attracting the leads that you want to attract. On day 4, Challenge Traffic Secrets. They're going to show you how to fill up your challenges for free with one super simple and proven organic traffic secret, plus one powerful paid traffic secret for those of you that are ready to scale. And you'll see another special guest on this day. And day 5, the secrets to selling while serving. On the 5th and final day of the challenge, they're going to show you how to teach in your challenge so that your participants feel well served and excited about moving forward with you and your offer. This is especially for you if you struggle with feeling a bit salesy or icky when trying other pitching methods. Day 6, we're going to be crushing it with challenges. If you want to see more real-world examples of challenge funnels, including case studies, then this is a bonus day not to be missed. It's a great opportunity to see how challenge funnels work in today's market and for all different types of entrepreneurs and niches. And there's another special guest appearing today. So the slots are filling up fast. The dates you need to save are May the 15th to the 19th, 2023. So don't wait. Join the Challenge Secret Masterclass for free right now. And I've got a whole host of bonuses that are going to be attached when you sign up as well.